Alright, let's dive into another common airbag fault code. B0126. If you saw our last video on B0121, this one's going to sound very familiar. B0126 points to a circuit fault in the passenger side airbag. Just like the driver's side, this airbag is located inside the outer bolster of the passenger seat itself. So, when that light pops on and your scanner gives you B0126, the problem is almost always right there at the seat. First things first. Safety. Before you even think about touching any yellow connectors or airbag wiring, you must disconnect the vehicle's battery. Wait at least 10 to 15 minutes for the system's backup power to fully discharge. This step is non-negotiable. Airbag systems are designed to deploy with explosive force, and we want to make sure they're completely inert before we start working. Once you've safely disconnected the power, it's time to start our diagnosis. The passenger seat experiences a lot of movement, people sliding in and out, adjusting the seat forward and backward. All this activity puts a ton of stress on the wiring harness located underneath the seat. Over years of sliding back and forth, the wires can get stretched, pinched, or chafed, eventually leading to a break in the circuit. Grab a good flashlight and start by visually inspecting the wiring harness under the passenger seat. Look for the yellow sheathing. That's your airbag system wiring. Follow it from the floor of the car up to where it connects to the seat. Pay close attention to any areas where the harness bends sharply or could get caught on the seat rails or adjustment mechanism. You're looking for any obvious signs of damage. Stretched wires, exposed copper, cuts, or pinch spots. Gently tug in the wires in the harness. Sometimes the internal copper wire breaks, but the outer insulation remains intact, so a light pull can reveal a hidden break. More often than not, you'll find the culprit right there. A wire will be clearly broken or damaged. Now, if you're lucky, the break will be in an accessible spot. If that's the case, you have a couple of options for the fix. The ideal, most professional repair is to replace the entire seat wiring harness. This guarantees a solid connection and eliminates any other potential weak spots in the old harness. You can usually source a new harness from the dealership or a reputable auto parts supplier. However, if a full replacement isn't practical, or the damage is minor and localized, you can perform a wiring repair. This is where skill and precision are key. You can't just twist the wires together and wrap them in electrical tape. For airbag circuits, you need to use proper butt connectors and a crimping tool to ensure a secure, reliable connection. After crimping the wires back together, it's crucial to use heat shrink tubing to seal the repair. This protects the connection from moisture, corrosion, and future damage. Never, ever use a soldering iron on airbag wires. The heat can alter the resistance of the wire, which could trick the airbag control module into thinking there's still a fault, or worse, affect its deployment in an accident. Once your repair is complete, or the new harness is installed, make sure to secure the wiring properly. Use zip ties to route the harness away from any moving parts of the seat track. Leave just enough slack for the seat to move through its full range of motion without pulling or pinching the wires again. This is a critical step to prevent the same problem from happening down the road. After you're confident in your repair and have secured the harness, it's time to reconnect the battery. Turn the ignition on and check your dashboard. The airbag light should now be off. To be absolutely sure, connect your scan tool again and clear any stored fault codes. Then, start the engine and reset. If the B0126 code doesn't return, you've successfully fixed the problem. So, to recap, for fault code B0126, it's a passenger side airbag circuit fault. The cause is almost always damaged wiring under the passenger seat from movement. The fix is to repair the wires using butt connectors and heat shrink, or to replace the entire seat harness. And most importantly, always disconnect the battery before you start. Fixing airbag issues can seem intimidating, but with a logical approach and a focus on safety, codes like B0126 are very manageable for a DIY mechanic. Thanks for watching. I hope this guide helps you get that annoying light off your dash. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more car repair tips. See you in the next one.